Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Empower app. First, download the Empower app from your device's App Store, available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, open the app and create your free account using your email address and a secure password. After setting up your profile, you'll connect your financial accounts, like bank accounts and credit cards, to get a complete view of your finances. This secure process is essential for the app to analyze your spending and investments. Once your accounts are linked, the Empower dashboard provides an instant snapshot of your financial health. You can quickly see your net worth, cash flow, and investment performance. Next, dive into setting up custom budgets. Empower helps you categorize transactions automatically, making it simple to track where your money goes. This feature is crucial for identifying areas where you can save more and reach your financial goals faster. Empower's cash flow analysis gives you a clear picture of your income and expenses, helping you make informed financial decisions. You can easily set up specific savings goals, whether it's for a down payment or a vacation, and watch your progress. The app provides detailed transaction reports, allowing you to review your spending habits and identify opportunities to optimize your budget. This proactive approach helps you stay on track with your financial aspirations. Empower offers robust investment tools, including portfolio analysis and personalized advice to help you grow your wealth. Their retirement planner allows you to project your financial future, ensuring you're on track for your long-term goals. Plus, for those everyday essentials, remember that life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep things fresh. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals. It's a small touch that makes a big difference in your daily drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.